Hi, this is Aaron with Bunch Bikes. Bunch Bikes is the U.S. distributor of Melia's seats, both for our own brand of cargo bikes. We also have mounting kits for other cargo bikes like Urban Arrow. This video will walk you through how to set up the straps on your bike to be ready to mount into your Urban Arrow. First, you're going to take this piece and your really long strap, and it's going to go through here. And pull through until you have the same length on each side, so halfway. Okay. Then you're going to take this piece, and the one on the top is going to go through this first hole, through the back side, and just go ahead and pull that all the way through. Okay. Then the strap underneath here is going to go right next to it in the middle hole. You're going to pull that all the way through. That. And then you're going to pick both of them together, are going to go through that bottom hole pulled down. So you're going to line them up together. Get both of the ends and fit them through that bottom hole. And just pull through. It's a little annoying to get them all the way in, but just keep working it until, there we go. So then what you're left with is that, and then you have two loops coming out the back side. Okay, now that you've got the long strap through here, you're going to get your seat. Make sure this bottom buckle is facing that way, upright. And you're going to take both ends of the strap and feed them down. If I can get both straps. You're going to feed them down through this hole, right through to the bottom of the seat, and it comes out right there. And you're just going to go and pull it all the way through until you've got that hanging on top. Two loops coming up, and so each of these is going to then come up this way, there, and you're going to put them, depending on the height of your child, in one of these holes. And I find this step's a little easier if you kind of slip back the cover, and you can kind of feed it through the cover as well, so you see it's coming out right there. So I'm just going to pull that through, and I'm going to do the other side as well. Get it through that hole, get it through that hole in there, pull it through, put the cover back on. And so then you've got these two hanging out. Then you want to grab this buckle here, and that's going to go on. You want that rounded side kind of facing up. You're going to stick it underneath and back through. Just kind of pulling it in the slack like that. Then you're going to go on here over top like that and come back around, and you want to open up some slack here because you're actually going to go backwards the way you came So you've actually got the strap going through the buckle twice in each hole. Just following the path that you came up. So I'm just going to pull that tight now. Okay, so you've got it going up, in through there, and then back. And so then you're actually going to go through this next hole down on the cover. And it's going to come out the back right there. And so then what it looks like, you end up looking like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So then you're going to take your short strap, one's a straight end and the other has a little loop like that. And you're actually just going to stick each side through that top hole there on either side. Like that. And then you're going to stick the straight end through that loop like so. Pull it tight. Like that. And that's actually going to come over the top of the seat like that. Oh, so then what you have is you have 3 straps total coming out of the back. 1, 2, 3, and these are going to go into the 3 clips of the mounting kit. So the last strap you're going to put around the seat, you've got a short one, again with the loop, and with this buckle on the end. And you're going to just loop this around the seat. So I stuck it in that bottom hole. And with my other hand, I'm pushing it back through. See how I made it come out the other hole? And then I'm going to stick this buckle through that loop, like that, and pull it tight. And this buckle clips in underneath the bench into this piece, which will be mounted underneath the bench. Now I don't have an Urban Aero bike here with me, but the Melia does have a video which I'll link to in the description, which shows the process of attaching the mounting plate to the bike along with the buckles and how the straps come through. I just showed you today how to set up the straps on the seat so that it's ready to mount into the Urban Aero bike.